Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to study English Literature Workbook. See, everyone, take out this book. Roots, Worksheet 4, page 14. Answer these questions. Number 1, see, everyone. What did the mole want? Question is, what did the mole want? The mole wanted to meet the burger. So number 1 answer is the mole wanted to meet the burger. Okay, next number 2, number the sentences in the same order as they are in the story. 2 are done for you. You see, right side. So okay, children, I write the answer number 2. First I write the question first. Okay, the mole said they would visit the beggar the rat said that the visit would upset the beggar. The rat said beggar will turn up. Next, the mole wanted to meet the beggar. Next, the mole wanted to invite the beggar for dinner. So children, so first one answer, 2 are done for you. So this one, the rat said that the visit would upset the beggar. This is number 5. And the mole wanted to meet the beggar. This is number 1. So first one, read, the mole wanted to meet the beggar. Next, number 2, the rat said beggar will turn up. Number 2. Number 3, the mole wanted to invite the beggar for dinner. This is number 3. This line, okay. And the mole said they could visit the beggar. Number 4. So everyone see the first one, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the answer. Okay. Number 3. See, tick write the sentences that the correct put across beside the ones that are not. So question A, the mole and the water rat were friends. This is true or false? So this is true. B, the mole had met the beggar before. This is wrong. C, the rat wanted to take the mole to the beggar. This is wrong. D, the beggar did not like to meet new people. So this is right. Okay. Number 4, tick write the words that describe the beggar the best. So number 4 answer is, everyone write Sai. Okay. You see last one, after reading this one, after reading, what do you think the beggar would do if the rat and the mole visited him suddenly? So answer is C. First A, question A, B, C. A, welcome them joyfully. B, turn them out of his house. C, be upset with them but allow them to visit. So answer is C. B, answer is C. I write here. Okay, answer is C. Be upset with them but allow them to visit. Okay, this is number C. So I hope that if you understood, answer C is right. Okay, answer C is right, the answer. I hope that if you understood page 14 question and answer, so practice nicely.